Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. Today we will learn how to fully backup and restore your iPhone data with iTunes alternative software called iSyncGenius. iSyncGenius is the reliable iTunes alternative software to backup iPhone data and restore iPhone backup safely and quickly. Part 1: Backup iPhone data. Open the software and connect your iPhone to the computer. Soon, the software detects your iPhone details. Select your iPhone model and click the next button. iSyncGenius will also show whether there is a backup password or not. Here, you can select the way you want to backup. All backups are classified backups. You can also check the data type to backup. After that, set the backup path. Click the Choose button to choose a folder on your computer to backup iPhone data. Now click the Start button. Minutes later, the iPhone is successfully backed up. Part 2: Restore the backup to your iPhone. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Then open the software and click the Restore option. Check your iPhone data and click the Next button. Here, the software detects the previous iPhone backup, and you can choose the full recovery or classified restore. Option 1: Restore the full backup to your iPhone. Select Full Recovery. Choose the backup file from the list. If there is no backup password, you can hit the Start button directly. Confirm to restore. Minutes later, your iPhone is successfully restored from the backup. Option 2: Restore partial data backup to your iPhone. Click the Classified Restore option. Then select the backup file and hit the Next button. Now choose one or more data type to recover. Click the Start button to begin the restoring now. Wow, the data recovery is successfully. Part 3: Transfer data from iPhone to iPhone. Connect both two iPhones to the computer. Then open the software and hit the Transfer option. Well, two iPhones are recognized by the software. You can set the source iPhone and target iPhone. Then click the transfer button. OK, select the file you want to transfer. Hit the Transfer Now button. Congratulations, the data migration is successful. You can go to the two iPhones to have a check. Part 4. Manage the iPhone backup password. Firstly, get your iPhone connected. Open the software and click Manage Password. Here you can add, edit or delete the iPhone backup password. Option 1. Add the iPhone backup password. Select your iPhone and then enter the password twice. After that, click the Add Password option. And it asks you to unlock the iPhone. Go to do it on your iPhone. OK, the iPhone backup password is added successfully. Option 2. Edit the iPhone backup password. Open the software, and go to Manage Password interface. Click on Edit Password. Then enter the current password and your new password. Now click the Confirm Edit button. Yes, it needs to unlock the iPhone. Alright, the password is modified successfully. Option 3. Delete the iPhone backup password. On iSyncGenius software interface, click Manage Password and then Delete Password option. After that, enter the backup password and confirm it. Click the Confirm Deletion button. Of course, make sure your iPhone is unlocked before deleting the backup password. Congratulations, the iPhone backup password is deleted successfully. That's all for the video.